Great monuments of India. India has a rich culture and heritage. From Indus Valley civilization, our memorials, architecture, and monuments have given India her identity. From Ajanta Ellora caves to Delvara Temple, Mount Abu, from Taj Mahal to Meenakshi Temple of Madurai, Indian architecture showcases its elegance and superiority across the globe. Respected teachers and my dear friends, in today's show and tell on great monuments of India, I, Rewa Chauhan, proudly showcases the world's tallest monuments, the Statue of Unity. It is not just a colossal structure facing Narmada River, but an iconic symbol of Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who dedicated his life to India's freedom struggle and thereafter in unity of 562 small and big princely states as an integral part of India. This 182-meter world tallest statue is an engineering marvel designed by Padma Bhushan winner sculptor Ram B. Sudhar. It is made of steel and reinforced concrete and has a bronze coating for durability. Iron used here are collected from old farm equipments across India. This statue of unity symbolizes legacy of Sardar Patel and also reminds us importance of unity. Irrespective of our culture, states, religion and traditions, we all are one and Indian. I'm proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you.